My wife and I purchased our RV back in 2008. We were going on a trip to North Carolina. We bought it and we did our trip and then came back and it just sat. You get an RV that's 10 years old with 15,000 miles on it is actually worse than an RV with 35,000 miles on it because it's been sitting. We thought we would use it a lot more. After a couple of years, we decided to sell it, and I took it to an RV consignment shop, and the lady said I could rent it for you. I was paying for everything, all the maintenance. They were charging me credit card fees. They were taking 50%. It was a good deal for them and a horrible deal for me. I listed it on RVshare, and I booked out for the whole summer. I have enough rental income to pay the payment for 2 years. RVshare does, it legitimizes you. You are actually a company. I decided to purchase another one and list it on RVshare and have one for Houston and one for San Antonio. I think that's how it evolved when I had two and I was renting in both locations. My wife, she just purchased a franchise. I told her that I would finance her business until she started making money with the income that I made from RVshare. I guess that's how it's affected our family.